How do you log into Snapchat? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log into Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into Snapchat, if you open up the Snapchat app and then you figure that you want to log into your account, if you have any of your account details saved, you can tap on that and tap on login. If you want to switch to a relatively new account, you could tap on the switch account option, enter your username or email as well as your password, then just tap on the login option here in order to log in successfully to your account. Now, just in case you happen to forget your password, you could tap on the forgot your password option if you'd like to reset it, and that would help you ultimately log in to your respective Snapchat accounts. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then log into Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.